Hello folks, welcome back to another model kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Revell North Sea fishing trawler. This kit was built with an assortment of Humbrol acrylics, and I also used some oil paint for the weathering. This is the only kit where I actually did weathering to this extent, because obviously being a North Sea fishing trawler, it's going to be damaged and quite bad looking, so I got a bit creative with the oil paint on the decking. I have to say, this was an absolutely superb kit. I really enjoyed building it. It did have some major issues with the fit, especially in the superstructure area. You can see the some just gaps there. I spent about 2 weeks on this kit, and all in all, I think it was a very fun kit to build. I really enjoyed it. Some nice decal work there as well. Other than the fitting issues, I think this is an absolutely superb kit. But if I were to rebuild it again, I don't think I would do any weathering, because I don't know, I'm not sure if I really liked the way it turned out, to be honest. But it's fine. Also some fitting issues in the mast area, but I think it might have been just some minor mistakes that I made. I didn't do any cables on this kit either. I also had some issues there. You see the paint is sort of corroded away. But to be honest, I think it turned out okay, because again, it's a fishing trawler, so it's meant to be very beat up and just very shoddy, I guess you could say. All in all, I think this was an absolutely superb kit, and one I'd recommend for beginners. Just except for the superstructure, because that was a nightmare to glue. So yeah, there you go. There's the Revell North Sea fishing trawler. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.